everyone, welcome back to Upload Deco. So this year I want to make more wall art, and so we're going to start with the ocean design, and this is one of them that we'll be making today, and this is the other one that we'll be making today. So these follow my fantasy ocean design with the glitter as the sand, and then we'll do the colors and create the waves. So I'll show you exactly how I make them, and we did them on wood canvases. So I'll show you exactly how I make them, the entire process, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Let's get started. These are the wood canvases that we're using to create the ocean rounds. They are from Michaels and they come in a set of 2. I think they were designed to be used as trays with the rim and stuff, but we will be creating the ocean design on the flat side and using the rim to hang on the wall. First, we're going to paint the ocean colors onto the canvases. We are using Arteza's pastel acrylic paint. I find that if I paint the wood first, the colors are more vibrant and there's a less chance of the wood color showing through. Sometimes I may not tint the resin opaque enough and it appears more sheer. Painting the wood itself eliminates that problem, and so let's get to painting and then we'll put some glitter on this. I gave the paint some time to dry, and before we add the glitter, we're going to tape the sides and the bottom of the wood with blue painter's tape. Resin will drip over the edges during the creation process, and having the tape along the sides will allow us to easily clean up these drips when we're done. Now we're going to add a layer of glitter with Mod Podge. I have attempted a similar project previously with the glitter on wood canvas, but it wasn't quite successful because even though I mixed in a lot of glitter, there were still spots where the wood was showing. So before we use any resin, I am using Mod Podge to coat the beach part of these pieces with glitter. I followed the instructions on the Mod Podge. I applied the glitter and then I let it dry, and then we'll come back and begin the resin process. Now this layer of glitter will not fully cover the wood, but it will get most of it, and then when we apply the glitter with resin, it will be more glittery. I let the Mod Podge dry and the glitters are now stuck to the wood. The glitters already look so sparkly, and we will make this even more sparkly and cover up all the wood. We're applying the first layer of resin, and it's going to be just the colors and the glitters. The resin that we are using for this project is Totabo's tabletop resin. It will be linked in the description, and if you want to try out the resin yourself, using my link will save you some money on your resin. We are doing a total of 3 layers for this, and I will be using the same resin for all the layers. For the colors, I am using pastel paint from Michaels, but I'm going to try my best to match them with the colors that I've already painted. I added a little bit of white mica powder to add some shimmer to the oceans. The glitters used in this project is a purple mix from Dreaming of Glitters and a blue mix from Resin. These are the same glitters that I used in the previous Mod Podge layer. The purple mix is unfortunately discontinued, but I will link the Resin one in the description as well. Now I will separate the resin into smaller batches, mix up the colors and glitter mixture, and apply that to my canvas. For the second layer, that's when we are going to start creating the waves. I am using the same Total tabletop resin, and for the white pigment, I am using Casting Crafts Opaque White. And I don't really measure how many drops that I put, but it's probably around 10 per ounce. So for this layer, right now I am going to coat the entire piece with clear resin, and then I will draw in some white lines, spread them out to create the waves. We are repeating the second layer of the waves and clear resin for this third layer because, to be honest, I didn't really quite like how that first layer of waves turned out, and the fix for that is to do another layer of waves. Additional layers of waves also adds more depth, so don't be afraid to do 2 or 3, even 4 layers of waves if you need. Our resin has hardened and our ocean pieces are almost complete. These are the drips that I mentioned when I was applying the blue painter's tape earlier. The tape is between the resin drips and the wood. We will peel the tape off to reveal a clean wood edge. To make this process easier, I will use my heat gun to loosen up the resin so it's easier to peel the tape off cleanly. I will just show you a speedy tape removal of this purple and pink ocean piece, and I'll do the other one off camera, then we'll show off both pieces. The tape is fully removed and the sides are cleaned up. Let's take a closer look at these ocean art pieces. Look at how sparkly the glitter is. The shiny resin makes it even more sparkly. You don't really see any of the wood peeking through. The second layer of waves also added a lot more depth to this piece. I first created this fantasy ocean collection for my coasters and trays, but many people said they are too pretty to put anything on. Now I'm really excited to be able to offer these as wall art as well. You can reach out if you're interested in a custom piece or check out my shop for more of my artwork. I will include the link in the description as well as all the materials that I used to make this piece. Thank you for watching this video. I really enjoyed making these ocean wall arts and I will definitely be making a lot more for markets to come. And if you enjoyed this video, learned something from my videos, please like it and subscribe. Leave me a comment on what you think and what you want to see next. I'll see you next time.